Hey guys, Tony. Good morning. Using that breakout strategy that I taught you guys, I actually ended up buying a call for Microsoft. I think the call is for 280. I don't remember, but 280 is the first take profit. 287 is the second. 285 is the third. I think I bought it for 3 months out. I have no idea why. I should have bought it for like a month out. Oh, hey mama, that's my baby. Um, I only bought one. But I'm gonna be selling it as soon as Microsoft hits 280. Hopefully it does in the next month or so. But I actually think I bought it for like 3 months out, which I don't know why. But I'll see you guys later. Just wanted to update you guys on this play right here. I am actually also looking at Apple to run towards the upside with the breakout strategy, possibly next week. And for another breakout, I'm actually also looking for. Oh, it's at 138, so I might actually maybe play it a little bit later today or maybe next week. I'll wait. Another possible breakout, I might be looking for. Was it plug? I think. Yeah, plug is another possible breakout that I'm looking for. But again, I don't know yet until like maybe another week or so for plug to actually create a candle breaking previous high from before from right here. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys later.